Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about AI healthcare application which I built using Gemini 2.5 Pro. Why? Because these days none of the application which comes under health is free. I tried multiple applications in App Store. Uh, Nothing is free. It is asking me to pay. Previously, I used to, feed some of the information that I, day to day life that I do, like workouts, the food I consume, to track like how much protein I consumed, how much cardio I did, how much of calories that I burned out of these many hours, like that I used to feed. But everything became, paid version, so nothing is free these days. So I just wanted something on for me. It may be in my desktop or mobile application. So just created an AI agent which will ask your profile, like your weight or height, and I think just everything. If you feed, it will give you the diet plan and workout if you want. You can just have this entire diet plan and your entire schedule created by it. So let's get started with. So this is a basic front hand that I did, which is simple. Like you give your weight. I'm just giving. This is not my weight or age. I just okay. Let it be male. So when I feed this information, it just asking me to feed some of the nutrition value. So if you wanted to get how much you had for breakfast or the entire day, you can just calculate from it. So one apple, let me just add, and yeah. So for one apple, it is 95 calories and zero point 0.5 gram of protein. So it just gave me uh, the nutrition value of for an apple. Next, I'll just ask the workout plan. Yeah, so I got the workout plan for it. I mean, it just gave me based on the profile I gave. If you didn't give the profile, it will just ask you to, yeah. So, strength training, intensity, cardio, jogging or cycling, 30 to 45 minutes, body weight circuit. So it just gave me that, and the same goes with the diet plan. Based on that, you can just get some of the diet or food that is available. You can modify the prompts for AI agent to track back so that you can align based on your schedule, like if you prefer vegetarian or non-vegetarian, you can just align the diet plan based on that. So it is a simple a front end. You can just design, or you can just directly have this LLM agent, AI agent connected with that. It will just ask and fetch those data, and it gives back once again. Yeah, so I just gave okay, this is the code uh, for the front end, where it calls your API, I mean the LLM through your API key, and it fetches some of the information which is online and feeds those information to you. So the nutrition value, the calorie count that you're getting, it is from the internet, and the agent is getting or fetching those information from online and gives you back. So it's like simple AI agent that you can have for yourself, or you can publish this as an application, mobile application, or anywhere. It will be useful for people because it is asking us to pay for it. So I don't want to pay for this application. So it will be really useful if you are doing one. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.